Have you tried different methods to manifest your desire, but you don't see any results? Here is the best method suggested by Neville Goddard to manifest your desire in only 3 easy steps, and this is the best and most effective manifestation technique. So if you want to manifest your desire faster, then watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes while practicing this method. And I would also like to ask our new viewers to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos. So guys, let's start. Neville Goddard's law of assumption says that whatever you think, believe, or imagine becomes your reality. Your imagination and your thoughts affect your life the most and determine what is going to happen next. In most cases, people blame other people or external factors for the bad things that happen to them, but in actuality, our own thoughts and assumptions hurt us the most. So what Neville Goddard says is that we can change our reality and our whole life by changing our imagination, assumptions, and thoughts. It is a fact that our actions are determined, influenced, and shaped by our thoughts. So if we can change our thoughts, we will make better decisions and choices, and eventually our whole life will improve. But you know, it is not easy to change thoughts, imagination, or beliefs. Whatever our mind sees or observes gets imprinted in our mind, and that's how our beliefs are formed. If something happens to us, or the things that we see often enough, they become a part of our subconscious mind. We don't know, but our past and the things that happen to us in our past have an impact on our present and what we do in our present. And it is a fact that it is difficult to stop our past from affecting our future and our reality. If we want to do that, we will need to pull out of our minds all those beliefs resulting from our bad past experiences. And then, after cleaning our minds, we will need to put the desired thoughts into our subconscious minds. So manifesting your desires entails identifying and removing unnecessary and negative thoughts while cultivating fresh, positive, and desired thoughts that will eventually help you make better decisions and choices. So in this way, you will be able to change your whole life and manifest whatever you want to manifest. So now let me share with you the method that will help you manifest your desires easily and quickly. Well, this method is proposed by Neville Goddard, who has been a great manifestation teacher and mystical author. As I said, this method involves 3 steps. First step, create a scene to imagine. As I have discussed, our thoughts and our imagination affect our lives the most and have an impact on our whole lives. Our actions speak and show what we have got inside our minds, so you will need to get your mind ready first. Let's now suppose you want to manifest your desire. Let's say a car. But you don't have any money to buy that car. Now when your mind observes that you don't have money to buy the car you want to buy, a belief is automatically formed that you can't buy a car. When your mind has these kinds of thoughts, then you will never be able to buy the car you want to buy. Even your mind will never think or imagine the car that you want to buy because it's your belief that you can't buy it. So don't waste your time thinking about it. You will never ever think about taking any action or decision to get the car you want to buy because your mind has taught you that you aren't, and you will never be able to buy it. That thought has now become your firm belief. It's your belief that is residing secretly in your mind, affecting your life and stopping you from doing anything that you should do to manifest your goal. So you got to remove this thought and cultivate a new thought, such as I can buy a car. But now you see, it's a hard job. The fact that you want your mind to believe in something has been proven to be correct for your mind. Well, so the first step towards the process is to write or create a scene. This scene would be related to your goal that you are going to manifest. Let's now suppose your aim is to buy a car and you want to put a thought regarding it into your mind that you can buy the car you want to buy. So you will create a scene that will happen after you have bought that particular car. The fact is that our mind can't differentiate between the real and fake. It believes what it observes. So you have to create a scene like a real one so that your mind can believe in it. For example, you can create a scene like you are driving the car that you have bought. You are looking very happy. Your colleagues, family members, and friends are congratulating you on buying your favorite car. You can also imagine that while riding in our car, you will visit your favorite places that you have always wanted to visit. So create any such type of scene that looks real and try to make it effective so that your mind considers it real. Make sure that the scene that you are creating describes yourself, your surroundings, feelings, emotions, and all the things that are happening around you. The scene shouldn't be complex. Make it like a real one. How do your friends react when you tell them that you have bought your favorite car? And if they congratulate you, what do you say in response to that? Now let me take you to the second step. Step number 2, visualize the scene you have created. Now this is an important step that involves your imagination and visualization. In this step, you put desired thoughts in your mind so that they can result in the actions that are necessary for manifestation. Once you have created a scene, you will now visualize it. There are hundreds of methods to visualize the scenes, and you can choose any method to practice because the main idea is to put that scene in your mind in a way that it appears real to your mind. You can go somewhere outside, sit alone, close your eyes and start imagining, or you can use any other method that you know. Neville Goddard recommends using his seitis, or state akin to sleep, technique. This technique is the most used, and it is surely the best way to visualize your desire, so I recommend using this method. A state akin to sleep is a meditative state in which your conscious mind slows down, and it makes it easier to put the desired thoughts in your mind by imagining your desire. You can access this state at any time of the day by following a simple method to enter into this state, or you can practice this technique in bed before you sleep. But Neville Goddard suggested practicing it in bed every night because we go to bed and we sleep every night, so we can easily enter into this state. And for sure, when you are tired of the whole day's work, your mind is tired, and so it offers less resistance to new thoughts. So that's why experts visualize the scene at night. You can also practice the seitis technique while sitting on a chair. Now let's discuss the process of entering into that meditative state. Well, if you are practicing it at night, make sure no one is around you and you are completely relaxed. First, close your eyes and take some long, deep breaths. Exhale slowly and relax. Once you are relaxed and ready to imagine, use your imagination to take you to that state. Now you have to imagine and feel as if it is all happening now. Feel and observe what's happening. What else is being said? Focus on and feel their tone. What words are they using? Internalize all this and consider it a real scene. Your mind will surely try to throw you off course, but get back into it and visualize it again. Feel as if you are in the scene and you are doing what you want to do. Use the scene that you have written to imagine and experience your desire. Once the scene ends, imagine it again. Do this practice again and again and loop it over and over. As you replay the scene and imagine it again and again, your mind will start accepting it as true. It feels as if you are there. Do this until you fall asleep. If you sleep imagining your desire, then it will get imprinted on your mind. Step 3. Perform this exercise daily. For quick results, you have to do this exercise on a daily basis. Neville Goddard said that once your mind accepts your imagination as reality, then you must manifest your desire. So you have to do the exercise daily until your mind accepts it as reality. Once it assumes your imagination as reality, it will start to believe that it's easy to do. Each time you do this practice, get fully relaxed before entering into the seitis state. The more you visualize during seitis, the quicker your desire is imprinted on your subconscious mind, and when your desire becomes your truth, it will easily be manifested. The time it takes to impress your subconscious mind varies from person to person, depending upon the nature of their desire and how they visualize. The more consistent you are, the faster you will manifest your desires. The more effective the scene you've created, the faster your wish will come true. It also depends upon the limiting thoughts in your mind. If there are any limiting thoughts in your subconscious mind, you should take some extra steps like saying positive affirmations to get rid of them. Let's say a person has trauma from past relationships, so it will take more time and effort to reprogram his mind as compared to a person who has had good relationships in the past. If you don't see any shift in your reality, it means that you haven't yet impressed your subconscious mind, or you have some negative beliefs, negative assumptions, or limiting thoughts, and they are blocking your desire from manifesting. So in that case, you will need to identify your limiting thoughts and remove them before you try this method. So guys, that's all I got for today's video. If you have found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon. If you want to share your opinion or have got some ideas to share, please comment down below this video. See you in the next video.